Creepy.
Can I borrow your face?
Why?
Cause my dog wants to fuck up female doggy. Children's like our babies.
I don't like babies.
But I'm your husband and I want baby. I want 11 babies so I can make a cricket team.
Yeah, let's do that. Yeah, let's do that.
I got broads in Atlanta.
अमेरिका का दलाल बहन
Guess
Ha ha ha. I have a question.
Yes, please.
What is your favorite breed of dog?
What's your name?
roses are red, violets are blue. Give me a chance and see how hard I fuck you.
Wow.
You are so hot. My zipper is falling down.
Next.
Are you an eco-friendly girl?
Yes. Yeah.
Cause the condom is in my pocket, will expire tomorrow. So why you don't wanna help me to use it?
I got broads in Atlanta. Just to lean the family. Credit cards in the scammers. Hitting no licks in the bank. Legacies.
Roses are red, violets are blue. Give me a chance and see how hard I fuck you.
Wow.